Hello, everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you how to download, install Eclipse, and how to use Eclipse. From your web browser, enter download Eclipse, and you're going to see this Eclipse downloads. So click this link and scroll down to this download. So here's install your favorite desktop IDE packages. And so here, this is download. And now, and click download, and you're gonna download this for Windows. Now, Eclipse automatically recognizes I'm using Windows. So this is gonna be download Windows. All right, I already have this downloaded, so I'm not gonna download it again. And so I'm gonna show you, this is where I'm downloading. I have already downloaded. So I'm just click on this now. Okay, this is a Eclipse installer. You're gonna see a bunch of packages. All right, so we have all these packages here. This is the one we need. The first one, it's Eclipse IDE for Java developers. Now, there are a bunch of others. The IDE for enterprise Java and web development, and for C++ and C, and for embedded C and C++, and so many, many others. So we're going to use the first one. I'm going to install now. So by the way, now I already have Java, and if you don't have Java, you have to go to install Java. And to install Java is to just go to say, I'm going to download Java, and you're going to see a bunch of links, but the best one is here and from Oracle, and you can download the latest version of Java. All right, so this is the latest one, is JDK 21. I already have it. So I'm going to go back to this install. All right, so you click on this install, and so now you're going to have it installed. Now I already have this finished installation, and so now I can launch it. So I'm going to launch it from Eclipse right here. So here is Eclipse IDE for Java Developer 2023-12. 12 means December. So this is the latest version. So download this now. Already downloaded, and so launch this. And now you can choose a directory as a workspace. So you can choose the one, whatever the default is. And so I'm going to choose the one here, is just put something here, temp. Okay. All right. So I'm going to now and launch it. All right. So this is my Eclipse IDE. So now you can close this welcome, and you see there's nothing here. You need to create a project before you can create the programs. So the project is like a holder and to hold and all the programs in the project. So now I'm going to create this project from file, and choose new Java project. And let's give a project name. So this is the name I'm going to give it. It's a test project. And so this is already automatically pick my Java version is a standard edition and 21. And so I'm going to use all this default now. And choose here's next. And now, and further, I'm going to use this default and finish. So now this is the project here. I'm going to create a program, right click on this project, choose this new class. So here, I'm going to call this is the name of the class is welcome. Now you have to give a package name for using this latest version of Eclipse. So the package name I'm going to give here is chapter 1. So for my chapter 1 programs, so here is the class name, welcome. And now, and which method stubs would you like to create? I'm going to create this public static void main. So I'm going to finish. So here, and we have this main. I'm going to write a code for this system.out print line. So I'm going to print this message, welcome to Java. So this is the same code from the book. That is the first example in live example 1.1. All right, so now you can right click this, edit the pane and choose run as a Java application. So now we're going to run this Java application. So now you see it's welcome to Java. All right, you can copy and paste. And so print this welcome to Java 3 times, or I'm going to change this to welcome to computer science. And here is programming is fun. All right, so now I'm going to write again, right click and choose run as. And here, this is welcome.java. So now you see the 3 messages. All right, let's create another program. Under the same package here, you go to package chapter 1 and right click on this chapter 1 and choose new and class. So this is the package name is automatic here. You can change it if you want. So now I'm going to have this public static void main. And so here, the class name is exercise 01 underscore 01. All right, so I'm going to generate this is right here. And the class name is exercise 01 underscore 01 and on the package chapter 1. So I'm going to write some code here. So this time I'm going to write this system dot out dot print. I'm going to use print, not print line. So this print will just stay in the same line. So here I'm going to write this. It's and 1 plus 2.5 divided by 5 and then times 2. All right, so I'm going to put all this equal sign here and then all this as a string. So it's going to display the string. All right, so let's copy and paste this. And here I'm going to remove the quotes here. So this is the expression. And this statement is going to display the result of this expression. And here is quotation marks. It's going to display the string literal. So now let's right click and choose run as Java application. And here is, look, it's exercise 01 underscore 1 and okay. So this is the string, and from this line 5, and from line 6, the execution is to display the result of the expression 4.5. All right, so this is really easy to get Eclipse running. So now you can create your own project and write your own program using Eclipse. That is all for this video. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.